So good morning everyone. So today we are starting our 11th problem. So what is 11th question? Kamala borrowed 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. So compound interest we have to find here. So what is the principal value? 26,400 she has taken from bank at the rate of how much? That is 15%. That is compounded yearly. So what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years 4 months? So what is the time here? 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan. So after 2 years 4 months, how much amount she will pay we have to find. So here what is the principal value? Principal value is 24,600 rupees. She has taken 26,400. Okay, and what is the rate of interest there? Rate of interest is 15%. And what is the time? 2 years 4 months. Okay, so first we will find for 2 years, then we will find for 4 months. Okay, so what is the compound interest formula? CI is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So N is nothing but time value. Only for 2 years we are finding now. After that we will find for 4 months. So what is the principal value here? That is 26,400. 1 plus rate of interest is 15 by 100, and what is the time? 2. So we are finding for only 2 years first. Okay, so now 26,400, take the LCM here. What is the LCM? 100. In denominator nothing is there, so we are writing in the form of 1. For 1, how much you will multiply to get 100? So 1 into 100 will be 100. So same 100 I am multiplying in numerator also. Okay. So again for 100, how much you will multiply to get 100? That is 1 time. So into 1 into 1. Okay. So 100s are 100 plus 15 ones are 15 to the power of 2. Okay. So now compound interest is equals to 26,400. Sorry, this is amount. So this will be 115 by 100 to the power of 2. So how many times we have to write this? We have to multiply 2 times. So that is 26,400. 115 by 100 into 115 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now I am cancelling in 5 table. 5 20s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So again I am cancelling in 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 23s are. In 4 table, 4 1s are, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24. So how much value you got? That is A is equals to 66 into 23 into 23. Multiply this all. So 1518 into 23 we have to do. So you got it as amount, you got it as 34,914 rupees. This is for 2 years. Now we have to find for 4 months. So this is for rate of interest. Now this is for 2 years. Now we are finding for 4 months. So how to find it for 4 months? That is, already we know that principal value. Now this amount value will be equals to principal. Amount value will be equals to principal. So principal is how much? 34,914, and rate of interest is same, that is 15%, and time is, so we are finding for 4 months now. We are finding for 4 months. So in 1 year 12 months will be there. So we have to divide this 4 with 12 now. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So what is that? That will be 1/3 year. Okay. Now how to find now? That is I is equals to PTR by 100. So I is equals to, what is the P value? 34,914 into time value is time is 1/3 years, and rate of interest is 15/100. So here 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Okay. So I is equals to 34,914 into 1 into 5/100. So multiply these two values now. That will be 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 5 nines are 45, 5 fours are 20, 24, 15, 16, 17. So that will be 17. 1,74,570 divided by 100. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. So in denominator only 1 0 is there. So that means you can keep the point after 1 digit. So that will be 7 rupees. So this is what? This is interest value. Now we have to find the amount value. So what is that? That is equals to, total amount will be how much now? Total amount, how much she has to pay? This is A1 and this is A2 interest value. So here now amount is equals to 34,914 plus 1,745.7 rupees. So if you add this, how much you will get? So that will be 7 rupees. So what is the amount she will pay after 2 years 4 months? That will be 36,659.7 rupees. So this is our which question? That is 11th questions. Okay. So next is 12th one. Next is 12th one. Bharati borrowed a amount of 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at a simple interest. She has borrowed for simple interest. What is the principal? 12,500 and rate of interest is 12%, and what is the time? 3 years. She has taken for simple interest. And Madhuri borrowed the same amount for the same time of period at 10% per annum. So this is what is the percentage here? 10%. Compounded annually. So she has taken for annually. Compounded. For compound interest she has taken. Who pays the more interest and by how much? Who will pay the more interest and by how much we have to find. So first we are finding for Bharati. So Principal is how much? That is 12,500 at the rate of 5%. Sorry, at the rate of 12% for the time 3 years. Okay, so first we are finding for simple interest. That is, what is the formula? PTR by 100. So simple interest, PTR by 100. So I is equals to, what is the P value? 12,500 into time is 3 and rate of interest is 12 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So I is equals to how much now? 12 3s are 36. So 125 into 36 we have to do. That is 4,500. So what is the amount she has to return now? Amount is equals to, that is principal plus interest. Amount is equals to, what is the amount? Principal value 12,500 plus interest value is 4,500. Add these two. So how much you will get? 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 5 will be 10. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 1. So that will be 17,000. So she has taken for 12,500, but she has to return how much amount? That is 17,000 she has to return. Now this is for Bharti. Now we are finding for Madhuri. And Madhuri has taken for compound interest. We have to find the compound interest now. Borrowed here, she has borrowed for SI, that is simple interest. Okay, so what is the compound interest formula for same principal value, that is 12,500, and time is also same, that is 3 years, but rate of interest is 10%. So for how much percent she has taken? That is for 10%, and also she has taken for compound interest. So what is compound interest formula? That is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So A value is equals to, what is the principal value? 12,500. 1 plus rate of interest is 10 by 100 to the power of N. Okay. Now here A is equals to 12,500. N is nothing but 3 here. Time is 3. Okay. Take the LCM. LCM will be 100. 1 and 100 will be 100. So 100 plus 10 power 3. Okay. Now amount is equals to 12,500. I think you have understood how I did this. I have taken the LCM here. Okay. So here it will be 110 by 100 to the power of 3. How many times we have to multiply this value? 3 times we have to multiply. Amount is equals to 12,500. 110 by 100. 110 by 100, 110 by 100. 3 times I have multiplied. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now what is the remaining value here? We can cancel 0 and 0. Okay. Now what is the remaining? Amount is equals to 125 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10. Multiply all the values. So 11 into 11 will be 121, 121 into 11. 1331. 1331 into 125 we have to do now. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 16, 5 ones are 5, 6. 2, 6, 6, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So answer will be 5, 7, 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1. So what is the amount value here? That is 16 lakhs 1,66,375 divided by 10. So in denominator you are having only single zero. So after one digit you will get a point. So answer will be 16637.5 rupees. So this is for what? Compound interest. So here Bharti has to pay 17,000 and Madhuri has to pay 16,637.5 rupees. So who is paying more here? Bharti is paying more. And by how much also we have to take? So I am taking this as A2 for differentiating this amount values. So who has to pay now? That is here A1 is greater than A2. A1 value is greater than A2 value. So therefore here 17,000 minus 16,637.5 rupees. So what is the difference? Difference they has to pay 362.5 rupees. Bharti is paying more. Okay. So here write the conclusion. So therefore Bharti has to pay 362.5 more than Madhuri. So this is our 12th solution. So with this we'll stop our class. Tomorrow again we will continue the same problems. Still 3 problems are there. With the 3 problems our exercise, our chapter will be completed. Again we can start a new chapter. Thank you.